Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or right now cannot actually customize, because as you can see we cannot tap on them. So in order to activate them we have to turn off the time and time zone which are set automatically. They are network provided. And right now, as you can see, we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping pick the date you want to use. The same situation with the time, just by swiping tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here we can do the same with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Of course, if you want to, you can use location to set the time zone. Here we've got the option to change the time format, which is currently automatic, but let's say we can manually decide on which one we want to use. So the 12-hour or 24-hour. So just tap on the option, and as you can see it will be also immediately changed. Right here you've got also some options connected with the dual clock. So of course if you want to use this option, so your device will display the second clock from totally another part of the world if you want to, then just keep it turned on and customize the second clock. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time manually. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on automatic option and tap on both of those switchers to set the time and time zone automatically. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.